This is Mike Decker with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas. This briefing is being updated on Wednesday, April 29th, around 11 a.m. in the morning. We have a marginal to enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight, mainly across the northern Concho Valley up into the Big Country, with a marginal to a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. There's also a marginal slight risk of severe thunderstorms on Wednesday. For today, there's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms along in northwest Sterling City, Robert Lee to Abilene Throckmorton line, with a slight risk across the rest of the Big Country and areas southward into the Concho Valley and into Crockett County. The main hazards are large to very large hail, over 2 inches in size, in diameter, and damaging winds up to 70 miles an hour. There's also a low potential for tornadoes. There's localized flooding potential, mainly across the Big Country, with excessive rainfall rates of 2 inches per hour. Flash flood watch for flash flooding is in effect this afternoon through Wednesday afternoon for Haskell and Throckmorton counties. As we go into Wednesday, there's also a margin to slight of thunderstorms, and additional thunderstorms are possible late Thursday night into the weekend, some potentially severe. For today, this is the severe thunderstorm outlook. Again, that enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms from Sterling City up to Sweetwater in near the Abilene area, and then a slight risk down here in the Concho Valley and even northern portions of the Crockett County. Again, the timing of these mainly will be starting up in Sterling City and western portions of the Big Country, 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon. And then this complex of storms will be moving eastward across the Big Country. And a few of them could reach San Angelo, but most of the activity, however, we're expecting is going to be similar to Monday, where we had most of the complex was north of us. Or we have an outflow boundary that pushes down southward. There's certainly areas further south in the Concho Valley could see a severe thunderstorm. The main risk is going to be very large hail. You see that in the hatched area, an enhanced risk. There's a 5% chance of a tornado, a fairly low chance across the Big Country within 25 miles of any particular point. As you get down here in the Concho Valley, it's more in the about 2% San Angelo, Brownwood area. And then that other consideration of with winds, again, we have a potential for 70-mile-an-hour winds with these storms. Wednesday, we could see some lingering strong storms, mainly across eastern Big Country down to the Brownwood area. And then in the afternoon, we're going to have a dry line Pacific front kind of pushing through the area. And in this general area again, we could see an isolated severe thunderstorm. We do have that flash flood watch out for Haskell and Throckmorton counties from 3 p.m. today into Wednesday afternoon. A lot of the heaviest rain will be falling tonight into Wednesday morning. And there's that moderate risk across the Big Country and that slight risk of some excessive rainfall down towards Sterling City up to Abilene and Baird and Callahan counties. And it does include, of course, Sweetwater and Rotan and Anson areas. Here we show the probability of rain into the weekend. We had those showers, thunderstorms today into Wednesday, and then late Thursday night, a return of potential for showers, thunderstorms. Again, some could be strong, possibly severe on Friday, and maybe some localized flooding. How much rainfall? Well, there's a moderate to high risk of at least an inch and a half across of Haskell and Throckmorton counties. However, as we get this complex of storms move over the I-20 and areas tonight, certainly they could quickly pick up 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. It includes the city of Abilene and Sweetwater and Baird, and as this complex go throughs and produce some street flooding and localized flooding problems. Again, the peak is going to be this evening and overnight, potentially into a little bit into Wednesday morning. The next update will be tomorrow on Thursday, hopefully by noon. This has been Mike Decker with the National Weather Service, San Angelo, Texas.